children, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are well. Now I am going to tell you about plants around us lesson activity book. Okay children, open your activity book page number 34. Plants around us. See here, put C for creepers, L for climbers, H for herbs, S for shrubs and T for trees. First one, this is a tree. Right here T. Shrub, right here S. Hub, right here H. Next one, creeper, right here C. Next, this is a climber, right here L. Creeper, right here C. Next one, climber, right here L. Tree, right here T. Shrub, right here S. Next page. Look at the pictures of a plant. The name of the pots are scrambled. Put the right number against the pot in the picture. First one, root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit. Right here, 1, root, R-O-O-T, root, 1, leaf, 2, fruit, 3, stem, 4, flower, 5. Next one. The diagram below shows the growth of a young plant with two missing stages, X and Y. Which of the following shows the correct stages for X and Y? Tick them. Okay, see here. Seed. This is a correct stage. Tick here. Match the seeds to their fruits. Identify these seeds. Sapota seeds, tamarind seeds, papaya seeds, tamarind, mango seed, cucumber or watermelon seeds. Okay children, you know these seeds and fruits. So draw the lines. Match the seeds to the fruits. Next page. Study the chart carefully. The plant pots are grouped according to their functions. Which of the following represent plant pot A, B, C? Correctly tick it. Parts of a plant. First one. Supports the tree and allow transport of water and food. Part A. Next part B. Absorb water and dissolve minerals salt. Part B. Next part C. Make food for the plant in the presence of sunlight. See here children. These 4 pictures. This is a correct picture. Tick here. Next, the diagram below shows 4 setups using similar types of beans and containers. In which setup does germination take place? First tick them. 3 bean seeds on dry cotton wool placed in a room. 3 beans seeds on wet cotton wool placed in a room. 3 bean seeds on dry cotton wool placed in a field. 3 beans seeds on dry cotton wool placed in a refrigerator. This is a correct one. Tick here. Next page. Paste the stickers related to the life cycle of a plant. These stickers given in this book last page. Collect and paste here. Seed. Okay children. If you have any doubts, check one course book. Life cycle of a plant. And paste here neatly. Next one. Tick the plant products. Gum, plant product. Pepper, plant product. Next, spices, plant product. Oil, plant product. Anita grew 4 similar plants A, B, C and D in 4 similar pots. She placed the pots under different conditions as shown in the table below. Which of the following plant will leave the longest? Tick here. Plant A, B, C, D. Air, water, sunlight, soil plus manure. See here, C, plant C is a correct. Air, water, sunlight, soil plus manure. Next, how do you plant seeds? Drop some seeds into the pot, pour water into the pot, put the pot in the sunlight. Your plant will grow in a few days. Okay children, activity book completed. Now, open your workbook. Open workbook page number 34, plants around us lesson. See here what is photosynthesis. Complete the passage with the help of the given words. Right here, this is a sunlight. Sunlight, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Absorb carbon dioxide. Release oxygen in the presence of sunlight. See here, oxygen, light, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, food, water. Photosynthesis is a process where plants containing chlorophyll use light from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil to make their own food and give out oxygen. Okay children, right here chlorophyll, lights, water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, food. Next page children, 35. How are plants classified? Fill in the table with relevant information. Characteristics: herb, shrub, trees. Height: small height, bushy plant, tall tree. Stem: tender and non-woody stem. Next, woody stem, strong stem. Branching: no branches, typically branches and many branches. Branching, no branches, typically branches, many branches. Plants exhibit amazing diversity. Mention different types. One is done for you. Release oxygen. Absorb carbon dioxide. Improve air quality. Reduce air pollution. Help prevent soil erosion. Children, if you have any doubts, check one's course book. Plants around us lesson. Observe these two plants. See here, this is a climber, this is a creeper. What are they called? Creepers, climbers. What is the common feature between these plants? These are the plants with weak stem. How are they different from each other? The difference is that creepers spread horizontally along the soil. Climbers take the support of an object for climbing. Next, what is the difference between shoot system and root system of a plant? See here children, this is a root system, this is a shoot system. What are the types of root system? Root system. The underground part of the plant is root system. Shoot system. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called the shoot system. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called the shoot system. The types of root systems are taproot and fibrous root. Okay children, if you have any doubts, check one's course book, root system, in plants around us lesson. Say whether the following statements are true or false. A weed is not a cultivated plant. True. All flowering plants produce fruits. False. Herbs are a small plants with green, tender and non-woody stems. True. Without seed dispersal, plant cannot survive. True. Growing trees is harmful to our surroundings. False. True, false, true, true, false. Fill in the blanks. The plant which grow on their own are dash plants, wild plants. The dash sell only flowers, florist. Trees are known as our lifelines. The largest flower in the world is Rafflesia. Next, the dash live in coastal intertidal zone, mangroves. Match the following. Cultivation of flowers, floriculture. Seed dispersal, wind. Roots. Fix the plant in the soil. Green pigment in plants, chlorophyll. Reduce air pollution, trees. Turn the page, children. Next page, children, 38 page. Write the functions of different parts in a flowering plants. See here, this is a photosynthesis, leaves, photosynthesis. Next, flowers, reproduction. Next, produce fruits, reproduction and produce fruits. Next, fruit, produce new plant, produce new plants. Supports the plants, stem supports the plants, transports water and food. Next, roots fix the plant in the soil, absorb water and minerals. Okay, children, if you have any doubts, check one's course book. Types of a plants, parts of a plants around us lesson, parts of a plant. Okay, children. What is the leaf function? Photosynthesis. Flower functioning, reproduction and produce fruits. Fruits functioning, produce new plants. Fruits have seeds. Seeds produce new plants. Next, stem functioning supports the plants, transports water and food. Next, root functioning fix the plant in the soil, absorb water and minerals. Next one, the table below shows the plant parts that were removed from the four plants P, Q, R and S. Which plant dies fast? Explain. Plant part that was removed. P, fruits. Q, flowers. R, roots. S, buds. The plant R dies first because that plant has no roots. Plants cannot fix in the soil, cannot grow also. Okay, children. R. Next, page number 39. Answer the following questions. Farmers pull out some plants from their crops. Why? What are those plants are called? Farmers pull out undesirable plants because plants grow food and spread a threat to desirable cultivated plants are called weeds. Okay, children. Farmers pull out undesirable plants because plants grow food and spread a threat to desirable cultivated plants are called weeds. Where do the terrestrial, aquatic and submerged plants grow? Plants which grow on land are terrestrial, which grow in water are aquatic plants, which are grow underwater are submerged plants. Plants which grow on land are terrestrial, which grow in water are aquatic plants, which are grow underwater are submerged plants. Next, third question. How do mangroves protect us? How do mangroves protect us? They protect shorelines from damaging storms, hurricanes, winds, waves and floods. Floods. They protect the shorelines from damaging storms, hurricanes, winds, waves and floods. Children, if you have any doubts, check one's course book. Fourth question, what is germination? What conditions are necessary for seed germination? The plants which grow from a seed is called germination. Water, air and temperature are necessary for seeds germination. The plants which grow from a seed is called germination. Water, air and temperature are necessary for seed germination. Next, fifth question. Why are earthworms called friends of farmers? Earthworms improves the fertility of the soil by adding nutrients and making it process. So, worms are called as friends of farmers. Children, if you have any doubts, check one's course book. Okay, children, next, what is meant by seed dispersal? Mention some of the means of seed dispersal. The seed move away to distant places through different means: wind, water, animals and explosions of some fruits help in seeds dispersal. The seed move away to distant places through different means: wind, water, animals and explosion of some of fruits help in seeds dispersal. Okay children, this page 6 question and answers completed. If you have any doubts, check one's course book children. Turn the page. Seventh question. Define the life cycle of a plant. The series of development including reproduction that occur during the lifetime is called the life cycle. The series of development including reproduction that occur during the lifetime is called the life cycle. Eighth question. Write about plant nurseries. A nursery is a place where a wide variety of plants are grown and sold. A nursery is a place where a wide variety of plants are grown and sold. Next, ninth question. How should we take care of plants? Okay children, 9th and 10th questions, course book last page, given in course book last page. Like humans, plants also need water, so water the plants regularly at home and care of them. Do not pluck leaves, flowers and branches. Like humans, plants also need water, so water the plants regularly at home and care of them. Don't pluck leaves, flowers and branches. Next, what do you know about Sir J.C. Bose? Jagadish Chandra Bose. Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose, a famous Indian scientist, showed experimentally that plants have life and can exhibit feelings. Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose, a famous Indian scientist, showed experimentally that plants have life and can exhibit feelings. 2 questions in this lesson, last page, given in this lesson last page. If you have any doubts, check once. Next, trees and plants are very valuable to us. What do we get from them? Grains and pulses, timber, cooking oil, spices, fruits, vegetables, paper, fibers, gums, rubber. These are also given in the course book. Grains and pulses, timber, cooking oil, spices, fruits, vegetables, paper, fibers, gum, rubber. How do plants and trees save our environment? Lower air temperature, absorb carbon dioxide, improve air quality, release oxygen, reduce noise pollution. Next, reduce air pollution, help prevent soil erosion, provide shelter and shade. Lower air temperature, improve air quality, reduce noise pollution, help prevent soil erosion, absorb carbon dioxide, release oxygen, reduce air pollution, provide shelter and shade. Okay children, this also given course book. If you have any doubt, check once course book. Write neatly children. Okay children, term 1 workbook, course book, activity book completed. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.